listen, sometimes you really don't have to live with pain. Movement in Science takes a full body approach to helping individuals get back to living life free of pain. Movement in Science is a community of people that want to take their physical health into their own hands and are interested in exploring not only evidence-based research, but alternative methods of wellness as well. We will talk to professionals from an array of different backgrounds and practices to find answers. We'll also revisit some of the core elements and the foundation of creating a rich, positive lifestyle change. What I am most proud of is our commitment and support to active duty service members. There are a ton of options to help individuals in your unit recover faster, reduce their risk of injury, and increase mission readiness. You can hit me up for one-on-one coaching to really focus on your individual needs. Contact me directly via our website at movementinScience.com to schedule a class, a workshop, or even to simply ask questions. And remember, pain-free movement begins here with Movement in Science.